For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting an excavation business requires technical knowledge, strategic planning, and access to equipment. But with the rise of free AI tools, much of the administrative and planning work can now be automated or enhanced, making it easier and cheaper for entrepreneurs to launch this type of business. This guide walks you step by step through how to start an excavation business using free AI tools to reduce startup costs and improve efficiency. Step 1. Learn the excavation industry. Before you invest time and money, it's crucial to understand what an excavation business involves. Excavation services typically include site clearing, trenching, grading, and foundation digging. You need to learn about regulations, required licenses, safety protocols, and equipment types. To speed up your learning, use ChatGPT or YouTube summary tools like Glasp or Adify. These summarize long videos or articles so you can quickly absorb essential knowledge. Use this ChatGPT prompt. Summarize the key steps to starting a small excavation business, including equipment needed and safety regulations. Step 2. Write a business plan with AI. A well-structured business plan defines your vision, target market, services, pricing, operations, and financial projections. ChatGPT is ideal for helping you draft this document. You can break it down by section and ask for help generating content that suits your specific area and goals. Use this ChatGPT prompt. Help me write a business plan for an excavation business based in your city, state, targeting small residential and commercial construction projects. ChatGPT can also create a SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats, and estimate startup costs based on the scale of your operation. Step 3. Choose a business name and register it. Your business name should be memorable and communicate your services clearly. Use Namelix, a free AI business name generator, to brainstorm ideas. Once you select a name, check domain availability using Namecheap or GoDaddy. Then register your business with your state government, typically through the Secretary of State's website. Use this ChatGPT prompt. Generate business name ideas for an excavation company that specializes in land clearing and site preparation for builders. Step 4. Create a logo and branding assets. First impressions matter. Use free AI design tools like Loca or Canva AI to generate professional-looking logos and branding materials. Canva also offers templates for invoices, business cards, and social media graphics. These tools help you build credibility from the beginning without hiring a designer. Use this ChatGPT prompt for Canva. Design a logo for an excavation business named Business Name with bold and rugged elements, symbolizing earth moving. Step 5. Identify required licenses and insurance. Excavation work involves safety risks, so licensing and insurance are non-negotiable. Each state or municipality may have specific requirements for contractor licenses or heavy equipment operations. To identify the exact requirements in your area, use Google Bard or Perplexity.ai for localized search-based queries. Use this ChatGPT prompt. What licenses and permits are required to start an excavation business in city, state? You'll also need general liability insurance, workers' compensation, if you hire, and possibly surety bonds. Contact insurance agents for quotes, or use AI chatbots on insurance websites for estimates. Step 6. Estimate startup costs and financing. Startup costs include equipment, new or used, insurance, fuel, registration, marketing, and labor. Use ChatGPT or Excel AI add-ons to build cost models. Consider financing options like small business loans, equipment leasing, or partnering with a general contractor. Use this ChatGPT prompt. Create a detailed startup cost estimate for a small excavation business, including equipment leasing options and insurance. Step 7. Create a website and online presence. You need a website to showcase your services, contact details, testimonials, and portfolio. Use free AI website builders like Wix AI, durable, or bookmark. These tools create customized websites just by answering a few questions. Use this ChatGPT prompt for website copy. Write home, about, and services page content for an excavation company focused on residential site prep and land clearing. Don't forget to create business profiles on Google Business, Yelp, and social media platforms to boost local visibility. Step 8. Develop a marketing strategy with AI. Use free AI tools to create a full marketing plan. ChatGPT can generate ideas for digital advertising, local promotions, content marketing, and SEO strategies. You can also use tools like Copy.ai or Simplified to write engaging Facebook or Instagram ads, flyers, and email campaigns. Use this ChatGPT prompt. Create a marketing plan for an excavation business targeting small residential construction contractors and homeowners in your area. To attract local clients, optimize your Google business profile and post before and after project photos using Canva designs and AI-enhanced captions. Step 9. Find clients and partners. Use LinkedIn's AI-assisted networking suggestions or Connectly to identify local contractors who might need your services. Reach out professionally with a short pitch and link to your website or portfolio. You can also generate cold email templates using ChatGPT. Use this ChatGPT prompt. Write a professional outreach email introducing my new excavation business to general contractors and offering site prep services. Other ways to get clients include bidding on local construction projects, joining Chamber of Commerce meetings, or listing your services on sites like Thumbtack and Angie's List. Step 10. Manage operations with free AI tools. Once you land projects, efficient scheduling and invoicing are key. Use Notion AI or ClickUp AI for project management. You can track job timelines, expenses, and to-do lists using free templates. For invoicing and bookkeeping, use Wave Accounting or Zoho Invoice. Use this ChatGPT prompt. Create a weekly project schedule template for a 5-day excavation job, including daily equipment tasks and safety checks. You can even use ChatGPT to write your safety protocols and employee training material. Conclusion. Starting an excavation business no longer requires a massive upfront investment in consultants or administrative help. Free AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Wix AI, Copy.ai, and Notion AI can help you build a professional brand, manage operations, and scale quickly. By combining traditional skills with modern automation, you'll be able to focus more on what really matters: digging, grading, and delivering quality work for your clients. With the right approach and smart use of these tools, your excavation business can break ground successfully and stay ahead in a competitive industry. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.